but prefer not to be found. Thinking about the way we found just why. Thinking about the way we yeah.
Hey guys, so I just came back from work. Actually I just came back from the bank. So I just got my package today from Origins, and I love the skincare product. I've been using it for the last 10 years, I would say. So I have nothing but just great things to say about them. Oh, sorry, one second. My laptop is gonna fall. Alright, let me show you what I got. It came so fast. I did the order on Monday and it is Wednesday. So right now I have the Skin Balm by Kat Von D. You guys, I absolutely love that foundation. This would be the second time that I'm wearing it, and it's so light on the skin. Like, it's not heavy at all. I thought it was going to be heavy because of how it looked, but it actually is pretty good. So alright, let me show you what I got. So I got these two things. I got Into the Glow and then the oil-free energizing booster. This is just like little samples. And then I got the glow boosting mask, the ginseng one. This I've been using since 2012. It's the Drink Up Intensify mask. Looks like that. And the smell, you guys, is so delicious. And then I got it in like a little packet as well. This little bottle right here is normally $19 alone, but with this pack right here it's $19. So I was like, might as well get the two other products. This is the Checks and Balance, and then this is the Clear Improve Active Charcoal Mask that comes with this stuff right here. I wish they made in a bigger bottle because I would buy like loads of it. This one here is the 3-part Harmony oil infused serum. I've had this one before, but they didn't have it the last time that I wanted it, and it comes like that. This stuff is freaking amazing, you guys. It's a renewal, repair, and radiance, and it smells so good. Also too, this is, oh, I got the, so this came as like a gift, and then I actually got the big bottle of it, so can't wait to use that one. And this one I was quite happy to get. It's a little bit more on the pricier side, but this is the Powerful Lifting Overnight Mask. Comes like that. And then this is another one that I have been wanting to try but couldn't get my hands on it. This is the Mega Bright Dark Spot Correcting Serum. And this is how it looks. And I swear, like, the Origin products smell so good. I love it because it's just all plants. Ozzy! You guys want to say hi to Ozzy? He's looking at all my products. Yes, this is all my products. How are you? Oh, I love you so much. Oh, yes, I love you so much. Yes, I love you. I'm happy to be home too. Missed you. You wanna go in bed? But yes, I am so excited, you guys. I have the Fresh skincare, like the Rose edition. I love their skincare products as well because I feel like my skin has been like it's rolling around. But for like anything like for pimples and stuff, I always go towards Origins. But for like just clearing any like dark spots or stuff, the Fresh skincare products is amazing for that too. But again, I've been using Origins for the last 10 years. You want to show them how you roll over? Ozzy, roll over. Oh my god, you guys, it is finally raining here in Vegas. And it's so crazy because the windows are completely covered in rain. Not only is it raining hard, but it's super windy. Let me show you. Look at it. All right, guys, so we're pretty happy that it's raining. We tried to go out there with Ozzy for him to do his business, but yeah, he didn't want to. He was like, no thank you. Oh my god, you scared me because the mirror. We've been watching Nuki. So we've been watching Nuki. I don't know if you guys know, it's a YouTube channel and he like shows like top scary videos and stuff like that. And so yeah, I'm just a little scared, you know, but oh my god, look. It's crazy, you guys. You can hear Ozzy. He does not like water. He hates the rain. Don't you, boy? You want to say hi to them? Don't give me lip. You know what? We're pretty happy. Hopefully it cools Vegas down just a little bit, but yeah, we love the rain. Oh my god. I hope the alarm doesn't go off, you guys, because like a couple of days ago, are you going outside? Oh, I see. You guys, so we've been living here for what, like 3 years now, going on 3 years, and this is the most that it's ever rained before that we've seen. So it's pretty freaking crazy. Wow. This is literally the most it's ever rained here in Vegas, you guys.
Thinking about the way we just watch. Thinking about the way we yeah. 잠시 멈춰서 너와 내 가난 눈말 생각해. 시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지. Feels bitter that we're on a separate ways. Our memories faded. Sometimes I think of you. 너 없이 뭔가 좀 공허해. 난 날이 무뎌지는 그 감각에 어느새 집중돼. Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 싫어.
Try this one.
기대만 하는 것도 나에게 가져 내 맘을 가져 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에 자신이 너무 걱정되다 보니 생각이야 바람멍청해
It's real. That's $17. That's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright guys, so we're just trying to get like a light for under the kitchen tile, so we're going to that section right now. Yeah, I know. What do you think though? Oh, that's the thing. Going home now.
애써만 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까.
Hey guys, so we got in the car and Richard was like, I got the wrong batteries. He got the AAA and we needed the AA. So I was like, how did you get that wrong? No, I didn't scream at him, but I was like, I thought it looked pretty small, but I was just like, I'm trusting him, so I was like, okay. but he just ran back in to IKEA, and obviously IKEA is huge, so good luck, Richard. But yeah, no, I just stayed in the car because he was just gonna go quickly. But you guys, we need to go home soon because the storm is coming and it's right underneath us. I will show you in a second. But I just got a message on my phone telling me that there are some severe thunderstorm coming, and it looks like it's brewing something. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm seeing right now. But yeah, I don't know how we spent $72 here in IKEA, but apparently we did because on the receipt it says. But we got some mats for the bathroom. I'll show you when we get home. And then we got these lights that we want to put underneath the cabinets in the kitchen to make it lighter because it's really dark in that section. We ended up getting the lights to brighten it up, but that was a lot of fun. We saw a table that we're gonna eventually get. We're probably gonna sell our table and the couches because we saw the couch that we want and the table that we want. So fingers crossed that we can sell it quickly, and then that way we can just come and get the ones that we want. Yeah, let me show you the thunderstorm. Look, you guys, it is coming. Look how thick that looks. Ooh, looks so scary. So pretty though, huh? So hopefully we can go out later tonight and just get like a beer or something like that. That's what we want to do. But yesterday, oh my god, you guys, it was flooded. Like, the area that we live in the art district was basically a lake. It was so freaking like insane. It was flooded like crazy, and yeah, it was just insane. And it was super windy, so wind, thunderstorm and rain, not a good combination. Quite scary actually. But here's a video of us doing a time lapse from our window, and it was insanity. Even inside of our apartment was leaking, and I was like, what? Oh, and the Circa, like the Circa casino downtown near Fremont, like, I don't know if you guys have seen the TikToks, but the water was coming out of the TVs, like all the TVs that they've got. It was literally just pouring out, and I'm like, that building is like brand new. Like, I was like, how is this already having like holes and stuff? Like, I was like, this is weird, this is a bad build. But yeah, it was insane, you guys. Like, but you know what, at the end I'm really happy that it's raining because we need it. It's been so hot, so dry, so hopefully all this water is just getting into Lake Mead and filling that baby up again, you know. But yeah, you guys, are you just like me and Richard that every single time we come to IKEA we say to ourselves we have a budget, but we literally fly through it because there's just so many good, like, cool little knickknacks, you know? So we like that stuff, you know. Oh, you guys, so if you have Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, Balloon Pop-Up. It's a little small business that I'm starting, and I'm really excited about it because it's something that I truly love doing. And so, ooh, now it's windy. It's windy. It's coming. Oh, come on, babe. And he left his phone here. So yeah, if you have Instagram, follow me on my balloon pop-up here in Vegas. I'm starting my little small business, so it's just like decorating with balloons, mosaic balloons. So I really hope that it goes really well, and I've ordered such a bunch of stuff, so I'm really excited. So if you can follow me, you guys, it's just balloon pop-up right here. You know, I would appreciate that and the support and stuff. So but yes, I will show you guys my journey on that. I really hope it goes really well because like I said, I really love doing those type of things. So fingers crossed that it all goes well. All right, I'm gonna go because it is gonna rain. It's going to storm like crazy and we're right underneath it. So hopefully we don't get stuck. Let's go.
Feel like falling deeper, Cold nights 난 너무 싫어 기다리기에는 너무 길어 줬던 내 사랑이 식어 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어 No I can't just can't 가져 내 맘을 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야 알아 멍청해 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 거 oh yeah Baby can't you come with me Can't you hold my hand and leave 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 나는 방향이 어딘지
Make something a little bit more.
Right. Hey guys, so we just got these lights from IKEA and they are so confusing. They're pretty bright, but this is basically what holds it. And it's dumb. It's bright, but just, I don't know. It's not worth the headache. I wanted to get some LED lights because you just stick them on. These are the ones we have. I wanted to get the white ones. And you just stick them on. So, but it's all good. It looks good. Alright guys, sorry about the mess. I haven't done dishes yet, but look at the lights. This is how they came out. I think it came out so good. So normally, the kitchen is really dark. That's why we got these lights. But this is how it looks after putting the lights on, and I'll show you how they look before we put the lights on. So you guys, look how dark it is. It's so much darker, and I hated it because obviously when you're chopping you want to make sure you see everything, so now you see everything. Goodbye. Alright you guys, so we just came back from the Nevada brewery. We just got a pizza and some wings and 2 margaritas. They were so delicious, but we're going home now because it's getting a little late and I have work tomorrow, so and I'm pretty tired. But let's go.